In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to evenly space text here in Canva. So I have this text just here. To evenly space this is really simple. What we want to do is click onto our text. We then want to come up to this toolbar just here and click where it says spacing. Now if we click on there, we can play around with the line spacing and also the letter spacing. So let's in fact just put that like so. Then if we come up to here and adjust this line spacing, we can see that the gap gets larger and smaller. Now if we want to do the same for letter spacing, we can click onto the bar and we can increase. That should be doing all of everything. So let's just do that again. Let's go back just like so and let's re-click. Let's click onto here and then play with that letter spacing. But doing this is going to allow you to evenly space your text here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.